After luncheon, Prince Philip began the second half of his visit when he saw something of the tyre manufacturing plant. The employees in the tube department had a close-up view of His Royal Highness as he passed by. This is an extruding machine, where the rubber compound is formed into long runs of tube, which are afterwards cut into the right lengths. From one of the operators, the Duke learned how a valve is inserted into a tube. Prince Philip, who seemed eager to know all the details of the work he saw, stopped to watch many of the processes through which a tube passes. Here, for example, is a test where inflated tubes are passed underwater to check that there is no leak. He next visited the giant tyre shop, where he saw some of the largest tyres made by Dunlop. The company caters for every kind of transport, from scooters to giant earth movers. The Duke next visited the machine shop, where the vast range of moulds for tyres and other products are made. He also stopped to look at a machine carrying out an operation in the manufacture of a mould for golf balls. Here we see an operator showing the Duke how he engraves the tread pattern on the inside of a mould. So ended the Duke's tour of the machine shop. There, as in every department he visited, he had plied members of the staff with numerous shrewd inquiries about their tasks. For many, there was also a question or two about their homes and their families. Fort Dunlop has had no more popular visitor in all its history. Next stop for the Duke was the motor cover shop, where the tyres are built. Here he saw the cover builders at work. Again came the question, how exactly is it done? The Duke made certain he knew before he went on to the next section of the department. Then came an inspection of the moulding process itself that gives the tyre its familiar tread pattern. This is the latest kind of machine for carrying out the vulcanizing and moulding process. Now we see the moulds opening, and from them come recognizable Dunlop tyres, needing only the final finishing and inspection before they go to the markets of the world. way to watch the final operations, the Duke neatly dodges a continuous stream of tyres as they are moved along on the final stages of their journey. Here he sees an operator marking the tyre to show that it has been tested for accuracy of balance. This marking on the white sidewall tyres gives instructions for handling the protective coating that keeps the white portion clean during storage. And then it was time for His Royal Highness to leave. During his visit to Fort Dunlop, he summed up his impressions with the words, "In the Navy, we have an expression about a happy ship, and it is always a pleasure to go round a happy works, as I have found today."